quick daily driver, and this is a 2007 E61 5 Series all-wheel drive with 3-liter diesel, putting out 173 kilowatts. I have to take this car on a long trip, so let's inspect it and see what needs to be changed before it goes on its voyage. Let's test the vehicle for codes. Ignition. Nice. And let's see the codes. 5-volt codes in the multifunction. CCC antenna. Height center light module fault code unknown. Chassis electronic height control regulation time fault. Trailer control module. That I know. Rear window white wiper is not working. In the brake systems, the front left wheel speed sensor plausibility and voltage supply too low. Oh, intermittent. Okay, so I need to check the left front wheel sensor and the ABS ring. And in the engine, 3 faults. I don't have a boost pressure sensor info. Okay, that's under voltage vehicle, permanent under voltage. Come on, erase all the codes. Okay, the boost pressure sensor is on the left rear of the engine. I left the battery charging overnight, and I'm gonna check all the fluids and do a visual inspection. Engine oil. Almost at 3/4 of a way on the norm, and I did the oil change, so I know it's fresh. Mice have been shitting on my engine. Do a visual inspection under the plastic cover. I wonder if that's the boost sensor. No, that's... What? So loose. So I pressed the regular nut in there, and I figured I just melt some plastic in front of it and maybe it'll work. Front arm is loose and squeegee, so I will replace this. These are the best ABS sensors I have yet seen on a car. The design of them is just great. There's only a couple millimeters of the guide surface, so these will not likely seize in your hub. I cleaned the ABS ring, and I'm gonna put a little washer between the sensor and the hub. So, because the rust has expanded the ring a little bit and it rubbed on only a little, just distancing the sensor a bit back. Last wheel. I don't like this rusty, and this is also rotten. So I'm gonna see if this will come off. This rusty cross member was, or cross support bracket was underneath the car, but it's, I think I need to make something appropriate. The parts arrived for the BMW. Start from the front left brake back plate. This is not the correct part, I think. Back together. Let's try to rebuild the control arm. Maybe that won't work either. Matches this side much better. They sent me the wrong one. These are both 10 millimeters. And it should be the height control or height level sensor. $18 millimeters. Yep. I realize now I could have hit it from the top side with a hammer and it would have popped out. Now I'm trying to push out the control arm bushing. Since I didn't have the right tool, I just pressed the rubber parts out and I'm just gonna cut the sleeve. Yay! Triangle was pointing at this little notch, and I made a mark myself also. Yeah, that's nice. Now to install the level sensor. Only the wheel to install. And it's done. Everything's quiet, no fault codes. The road trip is a go.